Sleepless nights filled with violent dreaming, keeping out the lights, thinking you would wake up different. Keeping out the lights, but it was a lie, I could never get to sleeping. I don't need you to tell me we're dying. You don't have to lie. You make me cry. And then I woke up, strangled in my bedsheets, repeating to myself that soon it will all be over.